Myself, Dr. Manoj Agarwala, trichologist and hair transplant surgeon at MA Skin and Hair Super Specialty Clinic in Chowbe Colony, Raipur. In this video, we will be talking about another common condition, that is hair fall in male patients. 70% of patients who consult us for hair fall are males, and the majority of them they belong to the early 20s. Hair fall can cause significant interpersonal relationship problem. It can affect your confidence, and many people they lose their job at front office because of a receding hairline. So why is hair fall happening at such an early age? Are there some early indicators that we can identify and we can prevent somebody from balding? A particular number of hair fall is normal for each individual to experience. But when the delicate relationship between hair fall and hair regrowth is disturbed, this is when people start losing hair. Male pattern baldness is divided into 7 different stages and has a very predictable outcome. Typically, we see patients in stage 3. Other potential reasons for somebody to lose hair may include underlying medical conditions like diabetes, thyroid, anemia. Sometimes we do not know, but we have a lot of nutritional deficiencies. People think, oh, we eat healthy, but they do not know that they lack certain essential key ingredients, which even though you may be consuming multivitamins at random, but they never seem to help. Smoking is a major factor for receding hairlines. Even increasing work pressure, emotional turmoil, this all can collectively cause a significant amount of hair fall. So what can a particular person do? Well, genetics is beyond control. Neither we can change the environment around us. So what we can change is ourselves. We need to modify our diet, our lifestyles, and inculcate certain proteins, certain foods that are rich in some substances which are needed to prevent hair fall, and somehow if they can stimulate the hair growth as well. So what options are available for a person who is experiencing hair fall? The first thing is, please do not do self-treatment. Self-treatment can be detrimental. Stop all crazy home remedies that you use and you keep losing time. Remember, time is money, and if your hair fall is preceded up to a certain level, medicines won't be able to help. The thrusts of treatment for male pattern baldness includes finasteride, that's an oral DHT inhibitor, and minoxidil. Certain in-clinic treatment in the form of derma rollers, nanoneedling, PRP therapy, or a regenerative stem cell therapy can also help in a selective category of patients. Hair transplant is the next big industry, and this is a huge topic, and we will deal with it at a later video sometime. So finally, the million-dollar question, is hair fall reversible? Oh, why not? If timely intervention can be done, we can bring back your hairs. Hair fall treatment actually depends at the stage at which the patient is presenting to us. There are 2 core components of a hair fall treatment. First, we need to stop or reduce the amount of hair fall. And second, we need to increase the volume and density so that we can give you thicker, fuller hairs. There are certain simple do-it-yourself DIYs that anybody can follow at home for a head full of hairs. Please increase your protein intake. For vegetarians, it may be a challenge because they have limited sources of protein in the form of soya bean or the legumes. But for non-vegetarian, there is no dearth. You should also increase the consumption of omega-3 fatty acids in the form of flax seeds. People can stop smoking if they were used to do that. Avoid milk and maida because it helps in the long run. We can all form a habit where we exercise, because exercise has many-fold benefits. Some of them are understandable and some we do not understand. Till we meet again with a different topic, you can follow us on these social media handles for regular updates about your skin and hair concerns. Thank you.